Hello everyone, I'm Jack Joe. Do you all want to purchase a machine with performance comparable to the Bobcat MT100 at only 1/3 of the price? This is the V1000 model of our company. Let me introduce it to you all. This machine has a maximum load capacity of 656 kilograms. Rated load capacity 450 kilograms. And it is equipped with a Kubota D1105 engine. In the early stage, the V1000 was equipped with the Kubota D1105 engine. However, later it was discovered that the D1105 engine was prone to overheating during long periods of high-intensity operation. The engine service life will be greatly shortened if it works under harsh working conditions. After continuous testing and feedback, we have all equipped with Kubota D1105 engines in the later stages. In this way, the power and torque of the machine will be greater, and the power will also be more powerful. Compared to the commonly used D1105 engine on the market, this machine of ours has a much longer service life. Next, open the cover and let everyone have a look at the internal structure of the machine. Look, everyone, this is the D1105 engine. The pump being used is the pump of the Italian brand HANSA, only to provide our customers with the best quality products. The 3-pump system of HANSA from Italy, consisting of 2 piston pumps and 1 gear pump. Its flow rates are 11 plus 11 plus 16. The flow rate of the serial gear pump contributes to the extremely strong rotational power of the equipment when it is in operation. The auxiliary flow has reached 30 bar L. Next, please look here. This is the cycloidal walking motor of our machine. Our factory uses hydraulic cycloidal motors produced by Danish Danfoss. Its power is extremely strong. The flow rate can reach 350 cc. The motivation is extremely strong. Compared to domestic motors, the service life has been significantly extended. Everyone, keep looking in this direction. This is the valve used by our machine. The valve we use is from Italy, Hydro. Hydro's valves rebust for harsh job sites, anti-pollution, long service life of the whole hydraulic system. Have you all seen the detailed parts on the machine? The brand of the hydraulic hose used on our machine is Continental high-pressure hydraulic hoses from Germany, which are resistant to high pressure, aging and wear, oil and high temperature. If a machine has a malfunction in one part, it will affect the operation of the entire machine, especially for those who are engaged in landscaping, small-scale greening projects, and managing contracting businesses. If the oil pipe of the machine bursts, this is simply terrible. Therefore, for any component of the machine, we must use the highest quality materials. Let me continue to introduce to you further. Take a look at this bucket. We adopted a larger size. The rated volume of this bucket is 0 cubic units. With generous bucket capacity, it can load more soil, sand, and gravel during handling operations for higher working efficiency. We also took into account the aspect of security. A safety lock has been installed on the machine. The safety lock is designed for extreme working conditions. In the rare event of a hydraulic tube rupture, the sand and gravel in the bucket will not spill or fall, which fully ensures the personal safety of the operator and other on-site workers. The details of the entire machine are excellent. We took into account the gardening tasks and the land clearing operations. The entire machine is equipped with dual hydraulic outputs. The advantage of this design lies in, when working with a high-flow forestry mulcher, you don't have to worry about insufficient power or flow. This machine is compatible with angle brooms and swing-type stump grinders. During auxiliary operation, movements are smooth and coherent. With stable hydraulic output without any blockage or interruptions, this machine is equipped with standard R3 11mm tracks. Then, the width of this machine is 95mm. If you need the machine to work indoors or in narrow working spaces, you can equip it with 100mm tracks, which brings the overall width down to 900mm. Furthermore, a vertical lift structure is specially designed for the machine to accommodate boom lifting and loading operations, ensuring stable lifting and improved loading efficiency.
考虑到大家在装车的时候，我们采用了垂直举升的结构，大家可以看一下垂直举升。来，你直接从侧面。
Let me show you the effect of vertical lifting. When the boom is lifted to the highest position, the pin shaft moves in a straight line from the lowest point to the highest point. The vertical lift function comes as standard for our two models, XC1100 and V1000. The effect is simply amazing. Also, considering the use of floating lawnmowers on site, our machine comes with float function as standard. Let's do it again. Please take a look. Please pay attention to this position of the machine. Push the right handle all the way forward until you feel the damping resistance. Push it a little further, and the handle will lock in place. This is the constant on floating boom function. It greatly reduces operator fatigue during work. For the sake of personnel safety, we also equip the machine with a warning light. Its audible and visual alert can effectively warn surrounding personnel during operation. Let me show you how it works. Please listen carefully. There is no alarm sound when the machine moves forward. It will emit beeping sounds only when reversing to alert nearby people for safety. In addition, we fully consider operator comfort during work. The machine is equipped with custom-molded lumbar support, which effectively imparts comfort during long-haul operation and relieves waist fatigue. Multifunctional handle, easy and flexible operation. There is a speaker on the handle. You can listen to it.
这个是喇叭，然后上面呢是我们其他的功能。
The console is also equipped with a R3V power socket, which can be used as a cigarette lighter port. It supports charging for mobile phones, small cooling fans, and other small electrical tools during operation, bringing great convenience to daily work. We also designed a practical cup holder for operators. You can place your water cup here on hot days or when you feel thirsty. It can also hold your mobile phone. This design not only improves convenience and safety during operation, but also allows you to install a phone bracket here to fix your mobile phone, which is very practical. There is one more detail that I forgot to mention. This is our professional working light. The original Bobcat MT100 is not equipped with body lights. Therefore, we have specially installed a high brightness. Okay. If you are interested in our V1000s, please feel free to contact me. I am Jack Zhou.